Hello guys, once I am by name Ahmad Baku Abdullahi, but I likely want you to call me with Ahmad Balerring. I want to share some I want to share my journey of trading from where I am now to where I want to go ahead from now maybe to the date that I'm alive. As you know, everyone has his journey, but I started my journey, I think it's about 7 months ago, because I start in 2025. I realize how to get money by using trading, and I start my journey from zero maybe to hero. That's why I likely to document all my move on YouTube channel. That is the purpose of doing this video, guys. Maybe you want to know who am I and to recognize me visual. That's why I use this recorder to record my face and to explain who am I. I'm not well educated, but I finished my secondary school in 2020, and I did not went to any university because I am broke. I don't have enough funds to do so, and my parents are how am I. That's why that is the purpose of me not going to any university. But all of them, they want me to go. They are willing to sacrifice all their properties or all the things that they have so as to be educated. But I realize that even though you are not in any, even though I did not went to any university, I will make it, because if you are good enough, or if you are disciplined enough, even with your secondary school certificates, you will play a game that you will earn money. That's why I changed my mind before. When I finished secondary school, I try some fiscal business or skills, and I am a I try to be a mechanical engineer, and as now I am repairing any generating power generator that bring power, or water pump, or some those generators that they are using as in our area for the day-to-day activities. I'm repairing them. I'm repairing that, and I get a lot, and I fulfill most of my tiny goals. And the biggest one, I think I won't finish it unless I have a skill that I will generate massive income. That's why it's the purpose of me searching for online business that will not distract me to going to my job, to going to my where I am have the skill to do physically, and I am trying to learn something online to get a side hustle. Maybe most people knows that with side hustle. That's why I take trading as my side hustle. As now, I'm not profitable. Seriously, I'm the kind of person that if I want something, I will try all my best. to see that I achieve that goal. That's why I decide to document any move, any single move of any single move in the industry to document. I document that so as when I reach where I want to, when I realize or look back and see the kind of battle that I do before reaching there, I will proud of myself. That's why that is the purpose of me doing this. As you are seeing me now, I am in white software, white but where you will write or explain something on a whiteboard. Right now, let's see. As you see right now, I tell you that my name is Ahmad Bako Abdullahi. Maybe my handwriting is too ugly, but Abdullahi, I mean. This is my name, and I did my primary school in my locality or my wards in Adamawa State, Nigeria, Yola, Makama B, Adamawa State, because I'm a Nigerian 100%. No any relationship outside of Nigeria, but maybe later, but I don't know. But right now I'm a Nigerian 100%. Let's read this one. Let's see. This is my name. This is my name, Ahmad Bako Abdullahi, and I have a nickname, which is the nickname is Balerring. Balerring. This is L guy. Balerring. And my channel is Balerring at 70. At 70. This is my nickname, Balerring, and my channel name is Balerring at 70. And I want the journey from when I am sketched as how I am now to where I want to be, because I want to be a mentor. I likely to be a mentor, but I want to get the knowledge first because before I teach, because anyone that is in the mountain of teaching is already followed the way of learning. But now me, I'm in the way of learning. But maybe from now to 2030, I will be a profitable professional mentor in the industry. And I'm praying of that. Let's clean up this one. And nothing like any good information regarding to me, but seriously, nothing like I am wealthy before I start. As you see, I'm a normal person with, even this video I'm making it in 100 phone, and 100 phone. I'm making this video in 100 phone, and I'm sorry, I don't know how to put this sentence in words. You see, even my English is not clear. I'm not well educated. That's why when I am speaking English, you will see that there is so many error in my grammar. But I'm sorry. I think it is the way to learn. That's why and I will keep showing up unless one time I'm speaking like someone who is already been from England. Then let's see. This is my photo. Maybe you will recognize me with photo. This is my photo. I think this is in we took this photo in Amadou Ahijo Stadium in Yaoundé. Maybe I think it's 2014, 2020. We go there, we went there, we visit, we go there, we visit some relative, but are not my they are not my family. I go with my friend. That's why I go with my friend, because seriously, when I have a friendship with someone, I like to know his family as how I want him to know my family, guys. And here is my photo. I went to my mommy's village, and we went to farm where they are cultivating sorghum. If you don't know sorghum, I mean maize. And we went there. Then before we start doing something, I took this photo for an historical purpose. That is all about me. And don't forget that the journey is yours. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, but it's the courage to continue that counts. Don't forget that I'm at Balerring. Try to subscribe to the channel so as to move together from zero to hero, guys. See you later.